Have you ever felt like you don't quite fit into the conventional paths most people follow? That maybe, just maybe, you're meant for something more, something extraordinary. And if that resonates with you, you might just be what some call a chosen one. This isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about recognizing a deeper calling within yourself, a unique mission that you feel compelled to pursue. Today, we're diving into a specific hack designed uniquely for individuals like you. This isn't just any tip or trick. It's a transformative approach that aligns perfectly with your distinctive traits and aspirations. Let's uncover how this can specifically cater to your journey, enhancing your ability to fulfill your potential in ways you might not have imagined. Identifying as a chosen one goes beyond just feeling different. It's about experiencing the world with an intensity that calls for significant action and impact. This characteristic is marked by an internal drive, an almost magnetic pull towards fulfilling a unique destiny that often sets you apart from others. It's about knowing deep down that your role in this world is meant to leave a mark, whether through innovation, creativity, or leadership. Recognizing this trait in yourself isn't about claiming a title. It's about acknowledging a responsibility to use your inherent gifts to create positive change. The qualities that define a chosen one include a profound sense of purpose and a persistent intuition that guides decisions and actions. These traits can sometimes make everyday interactions feel shallow or unsatisfying because your conversations and thoughts often gravitate towards bigger existential questions and ideas. This understanding is crucial as it molds your interactions and influences your goals. It's these very characteristics that our hack will address, helping to streamline your innate abilities into a structured path towards achieving your profound objectives. Now, let's introduce the hack that promises to transform your approach and amplify your potential. This strategy involves a deliberate focus on aligning your daily actions with your deeper purpose. The hack is simple yet powerful. It's about creating a harmony between your inner calling and your outward actions. This means making choices that consistently reflect your deepest values and aspirations, ensuring that every step you take is a step towards your ultimate goals. The immediate benefit of this approach is a clearer sense of direction. No more wondering or feeling scattered by the multitude of options life throws your way. Instead, you gain a laser-focused path that directs all your energy and talents towards the activities that matter most to you. This hack isn't just about achieving success in the conventional sense. It's about finding fulfillment in knowing that your actions are congruent with your true self. This method involves a few key practices. Setting clear, intentional goals that resonate deeply with your core mission, regularly assessing your progress towards these goals, and adjusting your actions to ensure they consistently align with your overarching purpose. Each step is designed to reinforce your unique path, making sure that your daily life reflects and supports your role as a chosen one. With the hack clearly outlined, the next step is to deeply understand and tap into your potential. As a chosen one, your capabilities extend beyond the normal range of skills and talents. They connect directly to your purpose and the profound impact you're destined to make. This understanding is not just about acknowledging your strengths. It's about actively engaging with them in everyday scenarios. By aligning your actions with your internal compass, you harness the full power of your capabilities. To effectively utilize your potential, consider your core values and how they can manifest in your daily activities. For instance, if one of your key strengths is communication and you feel driven to inspire change, focus on opportunities to speak, write, or engage in discussions that matter. This might mean choosing projects or platforms where your voice can reach and influence the right audience. The idea is to make sure that your actions not only align with, but actively propel you towards your destined path. An essential part of harnessing your potential is the ability to visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool that helps cement your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. It involves mentally constructing scenarios where you have already accomplished your objectives, leading to increased confidence and a clearer understanding of the steps needed to get there. Start with daily sessions where you spend a few minutes picturing yourself succeeding in your chosen endeavors. See yourself handling tasks with expertise, receiving recognition for your contributions, and making the impact you desire. The clarity you gain from these sessions can translate into more focused and effective actions. With each visualization, reinforce the belief that you are capable of making your visions a reality. This technique not only boosts your motivation, but also aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious efforts, making your journey towards your goals more intuitive and natural. These techniques are integral to applying the hack successfully. They ensure that your daily practices are not just routine, but are infused with intention and direction. By continuously engaging with your potential and visualizing your success, you solidify your path and enhance your ability to navigate it with confidence and precision. Armed with an understanding of your potential and the power of visualization, the next logical step in our journey is the actual creation of your reality. This involves translating your visualized scenarios into tangible actions. To start, it's crucial to adopt a mindset focused on positive outcomes and growth. The thoughts you nurture play a direct role in shaping your reality. If you consistently think in line with your goals and the person you aspire to become, your actions will naturally follow suit. Adopting this mindset requires conscious effort. Begin by monitoring your thought patterns throughout the day. Are they aligned with your vision and the outcomes you visualized? Whatever you catch yourself thinking negatively or counterproductively, gently steer your thoughts back towards your goals. This is not about suppressing negative thoughts, but acknowledging them and redirecting your focus towards constructive and positive ones. For the chosen ones, everyday routines are not just about maintaining productivity. They are about reinforcing identity and purpose. To integrate the hack into your daily life, establish routines that resonate with your core mission. This could involve morning affirmations that reinforce your goals, structured time for reflection on your progress, or even specific reading or research that enhances your understanding and skills in areas related to your mission. Additionally, consistency is key. The effectiveness of your actions depends heavily on your commitment to performing them regularly. This doesn't mean your routine shouldn't evolve. On the contrary, as you grow and your goals expand, your routine should adapt to support your new directions. But the underlying consistency of acting towards your purpose must remain steadfast. This discipline ensures that every day you are building towards the reality you visualized, step by step, with clear intention and purpose. By focusing on creating a reality that mirrors your visualizations and establishing daily practices that support your unique journey, you ensure that your life as a chosen one is not just about potential, but about actual, measurable achievement. Each day brings you closer to realizing the profound impact you envisioned for yourself. Armed with an understanding of your potential and the power of visualization, the next logical step in our journey is the actual creation of your reality. This involves translating your visualized scenarios into tangible actions. To start, it's crucial to adopt a mindset focused on positive outcomes and growth. The thoughts you nurture play a direct role in shaping your reality. If you consistently think in line with your goals and the person you aspire to become, your actions will naturally follow suit. Adopting this mindset requires conscious effort. Begin by monitoring your thought patterns throughout the day. Are they aligned with your vision and the outcomes you visualized? Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively or counterproductively, gently steer your thoughts back towards your goals. This is not about suppressing negative thoughts, but acknowledging them and redirecting your focus towards constructive and positive ones. For the chosen ones, everyday routines are not just about maintaining productivity, they are about reinforcing identity and purpose. To integrate the hack into your daily life, establish routines that resonate with your core mission. This could involve morning affirmations that reinforce your goals, structured time for reflection on your progress, or even specific reading or research that enhances your understanding and skills in areas related to your mission. Consistency is key. The effectiveness of your actions depends heavily on your commitment to performing them regularly. This doesn't mean your routine shouldn't evolve. On the contrary, as you grow and your goals expand, your routines should adapt to support your new directions. The underlying consistency of acting towards your purpose must remain steadfast. This discipline ensures that every day you are building towards the reality you visualized, step by step, with clear intention and purpose. By focusing on creating a reality that mirrors your visualizations and establishing daily practices that support your unique journey, you ensure that your life as a chosen one is not just about potential, but about actual, measurable achievement. Each day brings you closer to realizing the profound impact you envisioned for yourself. While you implement these strategies and become more involved in your chosen communities, regular reflection on your progress is essential. This involves periodically assessing whether your current actions and routines are still aligned with your ultimate goals. Reflection should be seen as a proactive approach to ensure you remain on the most effective path toward your envisioned future. And based on your adaptations follows reflection. Based on your assessments, make necessary adjustments to your routines and strategies. Perhaps a certain approach is no longer as effective, or new opportunities have emerged that require some shifts in your methods. Adaptation is not about frequent erratic changes, but thoughtful, strategic modifications that enhance your ability to reach your goals more efficiently. Adapting also means being open to new techniques or ideas that can further enhance your effectiveness. The dynamic nature of growth often requires that we evolve our methods and sometimes even our goals as we gain new insights and experiences. This flexibility can be a significant advantage in your journey as a chosen one, allowing you to remain agile and responsive to change while steadfastly pursuing your purpose. To truly harness the benefits of the strategies you've implemented, systematic evaluation of your progress is imperative. This involves setting specific intervals, be it weekly, monthly, or quarterly, to review what you've accomplished and how closely those achievements align with your original goals. This isn't just about checking off completed tasks. It's about measuring the impact of these tasks on your overall objectives. Effective evaluation requires a straightforward approach. List your goals, the actions you took to reach them, and the results of those actions. Look for patterns or results that indicate whether your approach is working or if it needs refinement. This step ensures that you are not only busy but productive, making meaningful strides towards your envisioned outcomes. The path of a chosen one is rarely linear and often comes with its unique set of challenges and setbacks. It's important to cultivate resilience and maintain motivation, even when results aren't immediately apparent. Remind yourself why you started this journey and the vision you aim to achieve. Celebrate the small victories along the way, as they are the steps that lead to larger success. Maintaining a positive outlook is crucial. It helps you overcome obstacles and continue pushing forward despite difficulties. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a part of your progress towards your ultimate goals. If you found value in today's video, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with others who might also feel they have a unique path to follow and could benefit from these insights. Like this video if you're ready to apply these strategies, and subscribe to stay updated with more content that can help you transform your potential into reality. Every small action you take can lead to substantial changes. Keep pushing forward, stay reflective, and continuously adapt. You're not just following a path, you're creating it. Let's make this journey together. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights and encouragement on your journey as a chosen one. Your story is just beginning.